everyone, welcome back to Kodex Academy. I am Oman Agarwal, and today we are going to build one of the most exciting and fast-paced game in Scratch, the Whac-A-Mole game. In this fun project, you will learn how to make moles pop up randomly on the screen, create a hammer that follows your mouse, score points every time you whack a mole, and add sound effects and animations to make it even more fun. So get ready, grab your hammer, and let's start coding this action-packed game together. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Kodex Academy, and let's jump right into Scratch. First, we don't need this sprite cat, so delete it and let's upload a backdrop. Okie dokie, or here is my backdrop. And yes, if you want the same backdrop, you can see in the link below and take the backdrop. Now let's make it a little bigger. This side done, this side final. I'll just delete this plain backdrop. Go to the codes and now let's take the balloons. Go to choose a sprite. Take this balloon 1. Go to its costume, the 3 balloons, which I needed. The blue one is balloon 1. Yellow balloon, I will do balloon 2. And for the purple, balloon 3. This is done. And now I'm going to upload a sprite, the hammer in this. Hammer. Let's go to its costume. There are 6 costumes. And you can take the hammer also. The link is in the description. Let me check if it's centralized. Now it's centralized. And the last one. Now it's centralized. Go to code. Decrease the size of the hammer. I'll make it 40, I think. 40 is great. And the balloon size should be 80. Because like this we are going to put the balloon. So we don't want this little strip. Let's go to its costume. I'm going to delete this strip. Delete. Yellow one. Strip delete. Purple one. Strip delete. Now I'm going to centralize it. Okay. Here we are going to start with the coding. We will do the coding of balloon now. First we will make the balloon show. When flag clicked, looks, scroll down, show, and then we are going to set the balloon's position. So for that, go to variables, and over here we are going to make a list. So click on make a list, and the first list is X position, and the second one Y position. Y position. So take this, delete all of X position in this. You can see in make a list the third block. Delete all of X position, and then I'll just keep them over here for now. Here is my blue balloon. So I will keep it like this. The X is minus 140 and the Y is 108. So I will take add minus 140 to X position. When I flick the flag, the first one is minus 140. Over here you can see. Now we are going to take again this add, or you can just duplicate it, and I'm going to put it in this second. The X is minus 79. Add minus 79 to X position. Now then let's move to the next one. So the next one is minus 11. So duplicate add minus 11 to x position. Now again just duplicate this. Or here also the next one. The x is 64 and the y is 108. The y is the same because we are going to the same line. So add 64 to x position. Now we will do of the last one. We are taking 5 of x position because there are 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is going to be 128 to x position. And then take this delete all of y position. Or here I'll keep it because I need to check of y position now. So the balloon is here. Now take a thing to y position. Add 108 to y position. And then the next one. The y position we are going to take is 4 because there are 4 holes up to down. Duplicate. Again duplicate. And duplicate. Here it's going to be 26. And over here this is going to be minus 54. And the last one is minus 135. Now see, when flag click in the list, all of them came. Great. Now we are going to put a broadcast message over here. That is start the game. Okay. The next one, when I receive start the game, then control forever loop. Doing this for the balloon will pop up from any of the holes. Looks, switch costume to pick random 1, 2, 3. We are taking pick random because in its costume we have 3 balloons. So it can take any of the balloon. The blue balloon, yellow balloon or the purple balloon. After this, go to motions. Take set x to variables. Take this item 1 of x position. We are putting that it will come from random position, like it's from here, it will go here, here or anywhere in these black color holes. So pick random we are going to take not 1 to 3, pick random 1 to 5 and just duplicate this, put it over here, go to motion and take set y2, just drop it and pick random 1 to 4 of y position and then control wait 0.8 seconds. Like this it will work now. Oh, it's going to random position, right? The x position and y position are also here. I'll uncheck this x position and y position to make it hide. Now let's move to the coding of hammer. First we'll start with when flag clicked. Here we are going to do the hammer will follow the mouse pointer. So when flag clicked, show, go to front layer, forever loop and then go to mouse pointer. Now see. Oh, it's moving with the mouse pointer. And yes, go to looks and take switch costume to 1 before the forever loop. After this, when this sprite clicked, forever loop, switch costume to 1. Here we are going to make a broadcast message that is hit balloons. Okay, this will be above forever loop. Oh, sorry. Forgot that, not forever loop. Repeat 5 times instead of 10. Repeat 5. Wait 0.01 second and then looks next costume and again switch costume to costume 1. Now see, Oh, the costume is changing. Looks nice. Now we are going to make two variables. Go to make a variable. The first variable is hits. Okay, so I'll do this large readout. Put in this hits over. And now we are going to make another variable that is called misses. Okay, so this misses large readout in misses section. Go to balloons now. Here we are going to set hits and misses to 0. Now go to hammer and take events when I receive hit balloons. We are going to do the coding when the hits and misses will increase by 1. Okay? Now when I receive hit balloons, control wait 0.08 seconds, and after this wait 0.08 seconds, take if then else block, and if go to operators, take and. In this and, take this greater than, and in this blank space, take touching balloon and costume number is greater than 1. Then go to its costume, not costume 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Change hits by 1. And we are going to take one sound, that is pop. Pop, simple pop. Now go to the codes and take place sound pop until done, and else variables change misses by 1. This coding is done. Going to the balloon, and we are going to make one more variable now, that is timer. Make the variable timer. This is the timer. Over here I'll keep the timer. So now when I receive start game, then forever wait 0.1 second, and then change timer by minus 0.1 second. And over here we are going to set the timer to 10. This is done. Now I'll show you. Oh, the pop sound. Oh no, the misses are growing. Oh, okay, so now stop this. Here, we will make the even and game over. Go to the backdrops. We are going to duplicate this backdrop. Delete this full. I'm going to fill the color sideways, and of this pure orange. Okay, so fill. And we will write the text in pixel. This is going to be even dark blue. Go to the hammers, and I'm going to select this group, copy, and over here paste. And now go to balloons. You can choose any of them. I will take the purple, copy, and paste. Duplicate, so convert to vector. This is done. Now let's go to the codes and do a little more coding. When flag clicked, let's go to the backdrops. This is not backdrop, this is Whac-A-Mole backdrop. Whac-A-Mole. And this is you win. And this is game over. Okay. Now let's go to the codes. When flag clicked, switch backdrop to Whac-A-Mole. Means this backdrop will come. And after this, forever loop, if then or. We are doing this for the game over. So after this, taking this OR, take this greater than block, take misses from here, and over here type 9. If misses is greater than 9 or less than block from operators, variables, timer. If misses is greater than 9 or timer is less than 0.1, then go to events, take broadcast, new message, game over. Okay, switch backdrop to game over. Then we are going to choose a sound, not pop. The sound is going to be oops. The oops sound is over here. Okay, this sound is final for now. So please sound oops until done and stop all. After this, duplicate this full. Then broadcast new message should be you win. Switch backdrop to you win. And over here we are going to change the statement. Take this greater than 9 one and delete the full. Go to variables and take this hits. So we don't want this misses. So I'll delete this misses one. Hits is greater than 9. Then broadcast you win. Switch backdrop to you win. Sound I'm going to choose now, that is connect. Okay, is connect. Play sound connect until done and stop all. And after this, go to hammer. When I receive game over or when I receive you win, hide. Or here hide and over here hide. So put this into balloon 2. And over here we are going to choose a nice sound. The sound I am going to choose is techno, not pop. Choose a sound, loops. You can take any of the song, but I am going to take this techno. Okay. Now let's go to the codes. When flag clicked, forever, start sound techno until done. And our game is fully ready. So now let's go on big screen. Let's see our game. Okay, 3, 2, 1 and super speed. Okay, it's random position. Oh no, oh no. Oh. It's okay, let's try it again. Okay, random position. Balloon at random position. Yay, we win this time. I hope you like this video. If you please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.